So I recently moved back to New York City for the summer after hating it for 2 years, and I'm trying to avenge my experience. So today I'm showing you a productive work day in my life where I have a lot to do, including moving into a new apartment, having meetings, and performing my first show in New York City. It's gonna be a jam-packed day, so let's get started. Hello, welcome to the new Airbnb. I'm running on like 4 hours of sleep, so I'm gonna give you a little delirious tour. Basically, we have been living in the Upper East Side for a month, and now we've moved to Brooklyn. And this place is so much cuter than the last place, so I want to give you a little tour. Airbnb host was so nice and cute. She left us like little treats, a little prosecco. This is where you enter from. This is all of our luggage that we hauled ass. You should have seen us sweating our asses off at the first place, dragging all of our heavy ass suitcases down 3 flights of stairs. It was definitely a morning wake up workout. And then we have this like kitchen moment with all the knives. Yeah! This is gonna be like the bestest workspace. Like, look at this gigantic table. I feel like we should have a cute dinner party or some candles and like flower arrangements. It's just such a nice like hosting place. Got a speaker here and then like all of these books. I do want to get into reading this month because I just want to look like a main character. Actually, a boy on Hinge recently, like a couple days ago, his opener was, "What's the best book you've read this year?" And I was like, I haven't. Maybe Anna and the French Kiss. Embarrassing. TV for rewatching The Summer I Turned Pretty for the 10th time. For when we have guests over, this could be their bed. If you recognize that. Whoa! Wait, I don't even like, oh, that's so cool. They have it like custom carved. This is the biggest lamp. This is huge. She goes, there's a couple ways to turn it on. Anyway, this will be so vibes. This part is kind of unhinged, but the doorway to the bathroom is just a piece of cloth. So all the hoop smells, you know, will just be wafting around. So this is the pantry area, and then directly this is the bathroom. So yeah, right. And then, whoa, why do I look like that? Anyway, so this is also the fabric to the primary bedroom. So it's like also like we can't take showers during conflicting, like I can't just like be taking a shower at like 3 a.m. I love the gigantic countertop because at our last place, it was, we were just using either side of the sink. Yeah. The different color tones. Pee pee poo poo time. Okay, this is the primary bedroom, and we're gonna be fighting to the death over this room. Just kidding, we're civilized. We're splitting it half-half. First half of June for my birthday, and then second half of June for Mandy's birthday. Anyway, this is so cute, and then we have like a little fire escape right here, which yeah, we should go out there. Come along. Oh wait, look at how cute. Look at how cute. Oh my god, I thought that was a real bug. Wait, look at. Whoa, dude, they got so red. It's so bad. It's so itchy. The whole time she was giving the tour, I was like, yeah. I love the like color coordinated towels. Also, I love the commitment to the fabric door. But here we have another fabric door to the other washroom. How to jump when I'm unsure. This is the mini bedroom. My bedroom. 1, 2, 3. Wait, it's funny because on the Airbnb listing, this had Spider-Man sheets and I kind of miss it. But it still has a cool like live edge table. Anyway, I think that's it. I'm gonna be making my avocado toast here. Okay. I'm gonna take a nap. Also, look at how cool these plates and bowls are. They all stack. This can act as a lid to this bowl. Look how cool that is. First order of business, putting my avocado in the fridge. There. This one is like terrible. It really clears out your nasal way though. Oh.
Hi Jennifer, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm very excited to host you. Just wanted to answer your questions on the phone. I thought it might be a little bit easier.
Yeah. Alright, thank you so much for the call.
Of course, thank you Jennifer.
Thank you, have a great day. You're so ooh girl on the phone. I feel like I sound businessy.
No, you don't.
Really?
Yeah, you're
Oh
like,
shit. Oh my god. This is not good information for me. Hi guys, it is currently 2:57 p.m. I'm about to hop on another call because I'm doing castings for boys to play a role in my birthday video. He's gonna play like a Dan Humphrey / Nate Archibald type of character. I'm really just like writing my own fan fictions and like playing them out in real life. I'm so Jenny Han. Hi Jackson, nice to meet you. Yeah, I just wanted to like hop on and give you a little rundown of the project and then just like get to know you better to see if like the vibes are right. So basically I'm actually a YouTuber. Okay, hi guys, it is currently 4 p.m. and I have to be out the door at 4:30. I have to do my makeup because I'm playing a show today. Did I mention that? Today is a pretty packed day of a lot of different activities. My first non-hometown show. It will be exciting. It's with So Far Sounds. Oh no, I'm breaking out. The stress is getting to me. Anyway, I'll be so fine.
I thought my life was chaotic after witnessing your life.
Dude, I can't believe you don't know this about me.
No, like I knew it loosely because of your videos, but I thought you played it up for the video.
No, I wish I wasn't this way. I can't believe people think I play it up because it's like, why would I choose to portray myself like this? I have no other choice. My mom was telling me this the other day on FaceTime. She's like, I literally could never live the life that you live. She was always like, I always think you won't be able to do it. And then somehow you always finish and manage to get like a 15-minute nap in there. I'm being stupid, testing my limits now. Don't feel alive and I'm awake, not sure if I'm okay. My voice is a little not up to par today.
Practice again if you want. Go through the whole thing.
I feel like we're good.
Yeah.
I should save my
Save your voice?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you feel?
I feel good.
Okay. Guys, we just found out that this show is sold out. I don't know what the vibes are gonna be, but look at this. Look at that. Sold out.
Sold out.
My first sold out show. It's not, I mean, it's not just a show for me actually. It's a showcase, but it's still like cool, I think. If you've never been to a So Far show, which I actually have never been to a So Far show either, it's artist showcase. Like people kind of show up to like discover music and stuff. It'll be fun playing for like a chill kind of set. But we're about to go take the train. Let's go. We are currently walking to the venue.
Oh, we have to rock climb up.
Oh yeah, we have to. Yeah, they're not gonna let us take the elevator. Whoa, wait, this is so pretty.
Yeah, this is really
Wait, wow.
So for those of you who don't know, So Far Sounds is not just based in the New York area, and it's not just an American thing, it's a worldwide phenomenon. So if you're traveling, visiting somewhere new, or just looking for something to do in a night out in the city,
can you please remove your arm? chronic smoker, super stroker. Sheets I soak up a hammer holder. Dice roller stand up. My right hand, I hold up. Swear I would never fold up on my fingers.
All right. Please welcome, named after generation? No, probably not. Gen Z.
Hi everyone, my name's Gen Z. You can probably tell what generation I'm from by deduction. Don't worry, I'm still born in the 90s, so we're safe though. Yeah, I'm from Vancouver, Canada. Had to rep the Canadian tuxedo today. I make pop music, but today I'm gonna play you guys an acoustic set. So we have Richie here on the guitar. We got don't wanna give up, spit in my bed, lose all the place, thoughts in my head, but I can't believe I'm not in this mess. So I said, clean up and out for my life, for my prize on the floor. Clean up and out free, so I could be free. Clean up and out to the heart to screaming at the top of our lungs. Don't know how we got here or where we started from. Both of us ain't stopping now 'cause we don't know how. We're too much talking loud. We're too much talking loud. That keep my red eyes company as I fall asleep at night. 88, 89. 99. This is Richie on the guitar. Do a little riff for us. Oh, putting him on the spot. Whoa. Yeah, we literally just met like 3 days ago, but we're playing the show together. And
It's like our third time playing these songs?
Yeah,
Pretty much.
This is our last song, and this song is about, focusing on yourself and loving yourself first before you can give yourself to someone else. So it's called How to Love. Something's fucking wrong with me, 'cause when I'm feeling low, I want. I've decided that fire escapes are my new... if I plummet and die, it's literally... Well, it's no one's fault but mine. I have decided that fire escapes are my new nightly routine to come unwind. I just got back from my So Far show and it was I'm gonna be honest with you. I was so nervous. Honestly, when I was performing, I was like, dude, this sucks. Like, I sound terrible. My throat is so dry. I just did a terrible job. Like, everyone hates it, is making fun of me. Like, I was just feeling so insecure about it. And so I haven't watched any of the footage from the show because I literally refused. Like, I can't. I'm just really critical of my music and like singing and stuff just because I am kind of more of a novice, but I'm really a perfectionist and I want to do a really good job. I just look up to so many artists. I compare myself a lot. I want to be taken seriously, I guess. I don't know. I always just want to do the best job that I can, and I'm scared I didn't do that tonight. I wish I could have gone first, but I actually went last. And so what ended up happening was I was listening to these two amazing artists go in front of me, and I was like shitting bricks. And then I go on, I literally go, hi, my name is Gen Z, spelled with a J, ha 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 ha. I'm from Canada, I'm wearing a Canadian tuxedo, ha ha ha. Clean up in all for my life, for my cross. I literally sound like that. But it was still really fun. I love performing. I just have two contradicting worlds of thought inside my head right now. It is only my third time performing live. You know, I should cut myself some slack, but the audience was amazing and so many of you guys came out. It was so cute. I actually am wearing these in my hair. A subscriber actually made these bracelets for me. They say Gen Z, and then this one says how to love, and she gave them to me in Toronto, and she was actually at today's NYC show. Crazy, but it was so cute to see you guys. I'm so happy that I got to play my first non-hometown show, and to play in New York City is crazy. I don't know, I always thought like, oh, I'm getting so much older, like I can't start something new, like music, like it's too late, blah blah blah. It kind of proves to me that you can like start anything at any age. It's literally not too late to chase your dreams. I did have kind of a slow start with music just because I was scared to get too much into it. I was like, people are gonna judge me, people are not gonna like it, but here I am doing more shows, hope to do more shows in the future and learn and improve. I am always gonna be so hard on myself and like have all these negative thoughts about how I did. But at the same time, it definitely is a positive thing, I think, because if I wasn't hard on myself, I wouldn't improve. I think there is a balance though, but I see it in both ways. All in all, though, I'm just so happy with the show. And also, I feel so grateful. So many of my friends were able to make it out and come support me and like scream the lyrics. And we like celebrated in the park after. And it was such a lovely moment and lovely feeling having people support me and like in this new city that I haven't even been in for that long. But I've already been able to make so many new friends, just like putting myself out there more. It's been really fun to like explore my new young adult life that I haven't really tapped into before. I'm just so grateful for my friends. It was really nice of them to do that, and I just feel so lucky. This is a problem for me because now I want to stay in New York. What do I do with my condo? No, but I'm not gonna leave Vancouver. I mean, I didn't actually really ask a question, but that is, something to contemplate because what do I do now? What do I do? New York and Vancouver are such different vibes and all the way across the literal continent. So you know what? This is a topic for sometime later, maybe when I'm not running on 4 hours of sleep. I did so much today. I need to go to bed, it's like, just go to bed.